DJIs are super easy to pilot. They have lots of safety features that sort of reduces the learning curve in flying. It's always leveled and balanced, and the camera gimbal is dope, so visually it's really stable. But other than that, this is a pretty bare bones drone. But I don't regret buying it. It's perfect for me. So at this point, I've been flying for about 15 minutes, and I started to head back home. The reason why I didn't go past 1,300 feet is because the image started getting a little glitchy. I was sitting in my car the whole time with the windows up listening to Bob Marley, so that could have had something to do with it. But this is the first generation Mavic Mini, and I'm not a very experienced drone pilot. I've only got 5 hours flight time under my belt so far, so you can say I'm a newbie. I don't have many subscribers on this channel, so if you have questions, go ahead and ask. I'm pretty sure I'll answer really quickly. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.
Oh,